Here I have Motorola Moto G22, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the storage section, then go to the SD card, not this device but disk. Okay, so now I have to format it anyway, but I will show you how to format it without this all in a few seconds. Like, this is how formatting SD card looks like, but we're gonna format it once again right now because they forced me to format it right now. But now I will show you how to do it without any forcing yourself. So you just select SD card here, then tap here and select format, and then tap format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card formats and all files and data getting erased from it, and SD card gets to be ready to be used as a new SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.